If you have short natural hair and you're struggling to grow your hair, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple oil mix that has helped me and a lot of my clients grow out their natural hair long and healthy. And without further much ado, let's get right into the preparation process. So I follow a lot of ladies with healthy long natural hair, Indian ladies to be specific, and they all do this one thing. They all scalp massage, and they scalp massage with oil mixes. And they always mention that it's an ancient but very useful hair care practice. That is, their grandmothers, they passed it down to their mothers, and their mothers in turn passed it down to them. They've been doing it for their whole lives, and that's how come their hair is super long and healthy. And of course, I'm seeing the results on their channel, so I started implementing it in my hair care routine. I've seen amazing results, and that's why we are here today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my simple oil mixes that has helped grow, strengthen, and help boost the overall health of my natural hair. So listen attentively so you don't miss out on the oils, the benefits, and the reasons why we are using these kind of oils. Now, the first oil we are going to be using is, as you saw earlier, olive oil. Olive oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for promoting hair growth because of its rich content in vitamin E and vitamin A. And what these vitamins do when they are applied to the scalp is they improve your scalp health, strengthen your hair follicles, and create a healthy environment for hair growth. Olive oil also acts as a natural conditioner that nourishes your hair and helps combat dryness and brittleness. The second oil we are using in this oil mix is castor oil. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I use castor oil in almost every therapy I use on my hair. This is because castor oil contains an acid called ricinoleic acid that boosts blood circulation to the scalp, thereby encouraging and supporting the growth phase of your hair follicles. The last oil we are using for this oil mix is argan oil. It's literally called liquid gold. You can Google it and see. It's literally called liquid gold. This is the last oil we'll be using for this oil mix. Argan oil works by reducing hair loss. How it does this is by nourishing your scalp roots and strengthening your hair strands, thereby preventing excessive hair shedding. Regular use of argan oil can significantly improve your hair texture, strength, and hair growth over time. Now that I've taken you through the oils we'll be using for this therapy, the importance, the benefits of the oil, we are going to go ahead and mix the oils. Do this in a very clean container. This is the olive oil. I'm going to be taking about 3 teaspoons. I'm eyeballing it, but I know it's about 3 teaspoons. Then I'm going to add the argan oil I showed you earlier. Then I'm going to be adding the castor oil. Take note, castor oil is a thicker oil, so I'm just going to use about 1 teaspoon. That is, a small amount goes a long way. Now, this goes without saying, if you have more hair, you use more oils. If you have less hair, you use less oils. We don't want the oil dripping on our neck because we use too much oil. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. And also, this oil mix I'm doing, I'm not going to use oil in just a day. I'm going to keep this oil mix and use it for minimum a few weeks, especially during my protective styling season. And because it's an oil mix, it doesn't go bad after a few days. It's not like water infusions. This is oil. It stays safe for longer. Now, this is the oil, and I'm going to be transferring it into an applicator bottle to make it easier when I'm applying it in my scalp. Now that our oil mix is ready, let's get on to the application process. But before we get into that, if you've learned something from this video and you're still learning and you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video, and share this video, share it with your sisters, your friends, those who have natural hair, those who have permed hair. Share this video with them. I know they'll learn a thing or two that will help them when it comes to taking care and growing out their hair. And if you have any questions or you don't understand something I said earlier in this video, let me know in the comments. I answer all questions I find in the comments. Now, let's now go into the application process. This is my hair. I have my protective style in cornrows at the front, twist at the back. I'm going to take out one of the twists later on in the video so you see how my hair really looks like. Now, I'm just going to apply the oil on my scalp, directly on my scalp, as you can see in the video. I'm going to work it in my scalp and massage it. So after I finish applying the oil on my scalp, do I wash it out? Personally, I don't wash it out. A lot of the ladies I see on YouTube, when they use oils on their scalp, they leave it in for about an hour, then they go ahead and rinse it out. It has worked well for them like that. But me personally, I don't wash mine out. It stays in my hair. I've been doing this for years and it's been working so well for me, so I'm not going to change it. The reason why I leave it in, because I feel like it works better when you let it stay, penetrate your scalp for longer period. One area I focus on is also my edges. We grow our edges here. I also put this oil specifically on my edges, massage it in, then go ahead with the rest of my hair. As we saw earlier, these oils are not just good for your scalp, they are good for your hair follicles. So after I finish applying the oil on my scalp, I'm going to now focus on my hair follicles. As you're seeing me doing the video, just a few drops, then I squeeze it into the hair. I add a few drops of the oil on my hair, then I squeeze it in. The last step, which is a must, is massaging your scalp after you finish applying the oils. You can go in with a massaging brush like you see me do, but you can also go in with your fingers. You don't need anything fancy to massage your scalp. Your fingers work fine as well. I do this slowly and gently for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then that is the routine. The routine is done. Don't forget the edges part of your hair to focus there if you have problem with growing your edges. Now that we are done massaging, I'm just going to put all my hair into one big ponytail. So how many times do I do this in a week? It's recommended to do this 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, you just put some of the oil on your scalp, you scalp massage for about 3 to 5 minutes, and that's it. You're literally done. So I mentioned earlier that I was going to take out one of the twists to show you my hair. This is it. I'm taking this twist out, then I'm going to show you how my hair looks like. Now, if I was retwisting my hair, what I normally do is I'll take this section, okay, spray small amount of herbal infusion spray on it, then go ahead, seal the moisture from the spray using the oil. I'll also use the oil on my scalp, massage it in before I twist my hair back into place. In case you're wondering how do I store the oil mix we did earlier, I'm just going to leave it in a dark place. There's no need to refrigerate it. It's an oil mix. It doesn't go bad. You can literally do this mix and it's going to last you for about 4 to 6 weeks. That is the benefit of oil mixes. It doesn't take a lot of time to prepare, but they last you for a long while. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let me know all your thoughts and questions in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with somebody you know with natural hair or permed hair that will find value in this video. Thanks so much for watching. It's Miss Sunny, and until the next video, I'm out.